In an era of evolving security threats, the need for robust protective measures has never been more critical. The ProtectUK website and app, developed by the UK government, serve as essential tools for organisations aiming to safeguard their premises and personnel against potential of terrorist attacks. These resources offer a comprehensive approach to threat preparation, ensuring businesses and institutions are well equipped to handle emergencies. The ProtectUK website acts as a central repository of information, providing organisations with up-to-date advice on security protocols, threat levels, and best practice. This hub allows businesses to stay informed about the latest developments in national security, ensuring they can adjust their strategies in response to new threats. The ProtectUK app offers a personalised guidance based on each organisation's particular needs and circumstances. Businesses can receive customised advice on enhancing their security measures by inputting details about their location, industry and operations. This bespoke approach ensures the advice is relevant and actionable, addressing each organisation's unique risks. One of ProtectUK's standout features is its extensive library of training materials and resources. Organisations can access a variety of e-learning modules, webinars and instructional videos designed to educate staff on recognising and responding to security threats. Additionally, the app provides guidance for conducting regular drills and exercises, helping to ensure that employees are prepared to act swiftly and effectively in an emergency. The ProtectUK app includes sophisticated risk assessment tools, enabling organisations to evaluate their security posture. These tools guide businesses through a systematic evaluation of their vulnerabilities, offering insights into areas that require improvement. Organisations can fortify their defences against potential attacks by identifying and addressing weaknesses. In the event of a security incident, the ProtectUK app streamlines the reporting processes, allowing organisations to communicate with the relevant authorities quickly. The app's incident management feature helps relay critical information effectively, enabling a coordinated response. This functionality is crucial for mitigating the impact of an attack and ensuring the safety of all involved. ProtectUK fosters community amongst organisations by encouraging collaboration and information sharing. The website and app include forums and discussion groups where businesses can share experiences, discuss best practice, and seek advice from security experts. This collaborative approach helps build collective resilience against terror threats, enhancing security. Staying informed about imminent threats is vital for timely and effective action. The ProtectUK app provides real-time alerts and updates, ensuring that organisations receive immediate notifications about potential risks. These alerts help businesses stay vigilant and proactively protect their staff and assets. Beyond immediate security advice, ProtectUK offers a wealth of resources to support long-term planning and resilience. From detailed guides on creating security policies to checklists for emergency preparation, the website and app provide organisations with the tools they need to build a robust security framework. Go to your App Store now and download this valuable resource and check out the ProtectUK website.